Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to unhide Instagram comments, and now let's dive right in. Now to unhide Instagram comments, first open up your Instagram app, and in order to proceed from over here at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon in a small circle. Tap on it, and again on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, tap on the three lined icons. And from over here guys, you need to go through a bunch of options to make sure that your comments are unhidden. So first guys, you need to make sure that your account is public and not private. To do that, scroll down, and where it says who can see your comment, tap on account privacy, and make sure that the toggle icon for your account is also turned off like mine. If your account is on the blue and is on turned on, and then your account is private and many of the comment will be hidden because of that. Make sure to turn that off. And let's go back, and after that guys, scroll down where you can see the comments option available for us. Under the option tags and mentions, tap on comments, and over here where it says the allow comments from, there is the everyone, and there is the block comments from option available for us. If you tap on the allow comments from, and if you have made changes like from everyone to people you follow or your followers, or people you follow and your followers, you might want to change that to everyone to unhide all of your comments. And let's go back. Similarly with the block comments from, if you have done any users from over here which might be commenting on a post or reels or videos on Instagram, make sure to unblock that commenter. So let's go back, and from over here scroll down to hidden words, tap on the hidden words option, and where it says guys Instagram hide comments, and Instagram will automatically move a variety of comments such as those are potentially offensive or spam to a separate section. Make sure to turn that off. If your one is turned on, it will be like this one where it is blue, and you can simply tap on it to turn off. Similarly, scroll down where it says again the manage custom words and phrases. For the category of custom words for messages and comments, tap on the hide. If your toggle icon for the hide comments is turned on blue like this, make sure to tap on it to turn it off. This way many of your filtered words will also be unhidden on your Instagram account's post section. And with these options guys, your comments on Instagram will be unhidden. And then guys, this is how to unhide Instagram comments. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.